Let me show you how you can add a funny sound like this or like this here on TikTok. This is what I'm about to show you now on how you can add such a funny sound under your video to make that video to get more energy, to get quality, to go viral here on TikTok. This is what I'm about to show you now. But please, if you need a TikTok coach or a TikTok mentor, someone who will be giving you guideline on how to create a very high quality content, or someone who will give you guideline on how to grow up your TikTok account, click on the link on my bio and drop me a direct message. I am also there to give you more guideline. Support me to share this video for more. Tap the plus sign like you want to make a post. Go to your gallery, select the video that you want to add the funny sound.
Poorest man in my village. Could you
Let's
believe
go
I'm
to
the
the
poorest?
editing.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village?
Stop the video, then split. Tap on the video, then you click split. Then add that funny sound now. Add it. Watch what will happen.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village? Then why are you laughing over it?
This is how to create such a funny video here in TikTok. Share this video for more.